Imagine a world where your network runs smoothly without hiccups. Well, that's exactly what structured cabling solutions offer. In the healthcare sector, one major hospital reduced downtime by over 50% after implementing a new cabling system. Retail businesses have seen sales increase by 20% because their network now supports seamless transactions. And let's not forget educational institutions. They have improved digital learning experiences with robust cabling infrastructures. These centers were able to handle increased data traffic, making their operations more efficient and reliable. When businesses invest in structured cabling, they aren't just upgrading equipment. They're empowering their future. Structured cabling is the backbone of your digital success. Are you ready to make the